Hi guys, so it is Thursday. We're going to start with our rhyme recognition. Remember, I'll say it, you repeat it, and then you give a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Book, look. Book and look rhyme. Thumbs up. Good job. Line, keep. Line and keep do not rhyme. Thumbs down. Will, hill. Okay, I hope you gave a thumbs up. 6, date. No, they don't rhyme. That, sat. Good job. Okay, we're going to do onsent fluency. I'll say it, you repeat it. Keep, case, k. Best, book, ba. New, nice, n. Quiet, quick, qua. Read, rain, Okay, we're going to do the medial or middle sound. Oops. H, at, a. S, l, e. W, in, I. P, a, p, a. S, un, a. Okay, we're going to blend together. Undo, undo. Hopeful, hopeful. Brainy, brainy. Seeing, seeing. Counting, counting. Good job. Okay, now we're going to chop them up. Remember, present. I'll do it first, and then you copy me. Owner, owner. Turkey, turkey. Teaching, teach-ing. Pillow, pill-o. Enjoy, enjoy. Okay, great job. Okay, we're going to add some syllables. Start with the word dirt. Add E. Together it makes dirty. Good. Start with the word cloud. Add E to the end to make cloudy. Start with this word storm. Add E to the end to make stormy. Start with the word rain. Add E to the end to make rainy. Start with the word snow. Add E to the end to make snowy. Good job. Now we're going to take away part of our word. Start with the word listed. Take away id. What's left? List. Start with the word wanted. Take away id. What's left? Want. Start with the word heated. Take away id. What's left? Heat. Start with the word rented. Take away id. What's left? Rent. Start with the word rested. Take away id. What's left? Rest. Good job. Okay, and our rhyme for today is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I know you guys know this one, so repeat after me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, great job today, guys.